Welcome to the unboxing of the Zeb-100 HP 4-port USB hub from Zebronics. You can see right off the bat what the USB hub looks like. It has a glossy finish. It has 4 ports and comes with plug-and-play design. And that's more or less it. That's all the information you have. It has a cable length of 1.62 meter. That's an added information. That's a nice touch as well. 1.64 meters is pretty long. Now let's open this pack and take a look at the hub itself. This is what the hub looks like. You can see the Zebronics logo right over here. The Zebronic 4-port USB hub, Zeb-100 HP. There are 4 anti-grip stops over here as well. That's a nice addition. So you have 3 USB-A slots on this side. There you can see 3 USB-A slots, and this is also another USB-A slot over here. These are basically your 4 USB slots. It's a USB hub after all. And on one end, this is the 1.67 meter long cable, and on the other end you have another USB-A connector. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zeb-100 HP 4-port USB hub from Zebronics. Thank you for watching.